My package arrived from my friend Emily with JBowenandCompany. This is from her Whatnot auction. Oh, look how beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh, stunning. Stunning. This I am in love with. Oh, Emily. You outdid yourself, girlfriend. I love these. Some more. I've got so many frames. Oh, I love it, Emily. This is the one that was the piece. Yes, the bee. Look at that. Some more. Y'all look. Oh, the little cameo. I don't have that. Look at this. I don't know if you can see. I need like a dark background. It's like it's a lady with a little lamb scene. Oh my God. I cannot wait. Look at these. Emily. I'm so excited. Yes. That's all right. Oh my God. Oh, Emily. Oh my gosh. And then my two, oh, these are nice. I cannot wait. Oh, thank you, Emily.